Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the browser you use every day. This matters because menus differ. Press Ctrl+H on Windows or CMD+Y on Mac to open history fast, and if you use a profile sign in so sync data appears. Once done, scan entries to decide what to remove: a few sites, a date range, or everything. Make sure to note any saved logins or tabs you want to keep before deleting, because removal can permanently clear synced items. Next, you select the scope and types of data to clear. This step controls privacy versus convenience. Open Clear Browsing Data or remove items, then pick a time range: last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, or all time, because shorter ranges preserve useful caches. Check boxes for browsing history, cookies, cached images, and passwords depending on need. If you only want specific sites, use the history search or tick individual entries. Once chosen, review selections to avoid unintentionally logging out of accounts. Finally, you execute the deletion by hitting clear or delete and confirming prompts. This removes the selected records. Once done, restart the browser to ensure UI reflects the change, and check sync settings so cleared data propagates to other devices. If history items persist, make sure extensions aren't restoring data. Disable privacy or history managing extensions, clear cache manually, then repeat. One troubleshooting tip: sign out of your account and clear data, then sign back in to force a full sync reset if.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.